These cookie cutters, yeah. Their house is so 20447 had a fire last night. It's gonna be on my side of the street, the next block, brick house. It's the second time it didn't have a fire in 2 weeks. But I don't think there's no vacant lots down there. We can, yeah, I'll say this house here.
Don't look like it.
No, at the back it do.
Oh.
Groundhog was on their porch.
Yep, you jumping over.
Cottonwood growing on the curb, almost in the street.
Alright.
I see them running. They about to run a heavy campaign over here. I would say they're gonna start in November, December. They're gonna run a heavy demolition campaign. I can smell it. Now you can do infield housing in here. The neighborhood big enough.
Right.
They still 5 years out from any serious housing development, though. Myra right here, and then comma to Andover. There's a forest right here. Pocket forest, so
They got fragmites.
we can spray it in. Got a green loop here.
Man,
Unless that's an alley clean off. That could be an alley clean off. Machine did that. That's machine.
right.
Those are biscuits. Like the ones I used to grow in South. I'd be interested in this block.
Tell us actually homeowners.
I know the lady over there.
Yeah.
You know her too. You done met her a few times. Crazy as hell. That's a nice piece of wood. Elmira to, or Yakama to Elmira right here. It's a land bank out there.
You got a pickup truck with an airbag in the back of it.
Alright. We're not going out. I'm not really interested in Elmira right now. Shortcut to the next neighborhood. Jimmy been cutting. City probably on their ass. He ain't been cutting his backyard though.
That's their house?
That's where Lil Jimmy stay.
Oh, okay.
So I will take this corner here. I need a corner off the railroad. I'll take this one.
Jimmy ain't got this one?
Nope. They can't buy nothing else. So this hill deal.
No, it's not. It says Greendale.
Oh, Greendale. Thank you, sir. That's it. So yeah, we take both sides of the streets. Land Bank House, 127 Greendale, and the one next to it. This was the solar site, so this is why you see the demolition campaign. But this site failed.